Hi everybody, it's Caroline. I went to the mailbox today and I received this beautiful package, which is a prize I won, and it's the first time I've won something, I think, ever. So that alone is exciting. And how I won this was from Pam at Glam Junk Journals. And she was having a little contest. And I entered it and won. And I just can't believe it. So now I'm going to unbox it, obviously. So how fun is that? I've never done one of these before, so pardon me while I'm trying to do this. And I wanted to open it right away, but at the same time I knew that this was something that would be fun to do together. And well, I think so anyway. I like to watch these kinds of things, so I'm hoping you'll indulge me. And I think it's upside down, but we'll see. We got bubble wrap, which is great. Okay, I'm gonna take this out and move the box out of the way. So exciting. Oh my goodness, I can't even believe this. This is like, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's beautifully wrapped. Oh, look at this ribbon. It's my favorite color too. Oh, I love the ribbon. I love everything so far. Look at this. Some cards. And her card. Her beautiful business card. Gorgeous. And then these. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is like a pocket. It's a pad. It's a notepad. And it has, oh, this is gorgeous. Old cards. Rice paper or tissue paper. Oh my, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, Pam, this is gorgeous. Thank you. Gorgeous. I'm going to keep saying that word. I have a note here. And it says, "Hi Caroline, I hope you enjoyed Juliette as much as I did creating her. It's so fun to think she's coming from Evergreen, Colorado, and going to Ontario, Canada. I think that is so awesome. Thank you for being a subscriber and appreciate you. All my best, Pam at Glam Junk Journals." Pardon my nasal today. I have a cold, so I'm a bit blocked. But oh, this is amazing. This is, oh, it's beautiful. And I was so excited when I actually won, and I told my husband. And Evergreen, Colorado is one of the places that we rode through when we did our motorcycle trip to Colorado. So whenever I first met Pam online, I looked it up, and sure enough, we had been through there. And here we go. Here's Juliette. Oh, this tissue paper, of course, will go to good use too. Everything is going to be beautifully, beautifully used. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at this. This is great. And if you want to see her make this, I think she has I'll link her channel. I'll link Pam's channel. And definitely go and check it out. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Amazing. All the beautiful ephemera and places to write. The first thing that I thought of also when I won this was I was going to use this as a personal gratitude journal, because my journals that I have right now are for my mixed media and, you know, basically thoughts of the day and whatnot, kind of miscellaneous, but I would like to have it more private. I'm trying to do this and talk at the same time. It's very difficult, and I hopefully this is amazing. I am totally amazed at this. The colors and everything is just amazing. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yes, I remember when you made this. I watched, because I want to try and make the same kind of thing, and I just haven't done it yet, but that's right. Oh, my. These papers are, and I watch you, Pam, when you do your hauls, your auction, not auction, but old ephemera hauls. Oh, yeah. And I love your sewing, your detailing on the edge here, your sewing thread. The gold thread is really pretty. All of this is pretty. Oh. And, you know, the journal is going to be used, of course, quite lovingly, but I may also just take some of this ephemera and put it in my own creations. I hope that's okay. I think that's okay. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This is just so beautiful. Oh, look at the clip. Oh, I don't have any like this. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, this is fun to look at. Oh my gosh, I'm at a loss of words. The newspapers. Oh, les malheurs de Sophie. And I can read this. I won't bother you right now because I'm so stuffed up. This is beautiful. Oh, because I can read French. It's beautiful. Oh no, Maman, je vous assure. I can't see the tape into here. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, and there's an ephemera pack too. It's beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I'm in awe. Oh, look at her. She is so pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. I have gone silent here, everybody. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Do I even know how to put this together? Oh, I think it goes like this. Oh yeah, that went like that. There's so many things to look at. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Lafayette's bedroom. That's amazing. Home of General. Oh, Andrew Jackson, 7th President of the United States, Nashville. Okay. Michigan. Oh my gosh. You do have some old things here. It's amazing. Little tiny tags. Oh, these are so cute. Wow. Nice a bead dangle here off of the what's this, paper clip? I'm amazing. Wow. Prescription druggist, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. That is amazing. I've been to all these places so far. Oh, Mont Saint-Michel en vue générale. So that's the general view on Mont Saint-Michel. Oh, c'est très belle, c'est très belle. Très joli. Very pretty, very pretty. Oh my. Another little clip. Iowa, yes. Isn't that so cool? How the handwriting is there, and oh, beautiful, beautiful. Lovely writing, tags, and of course this is my jam also, is this beautiful stained paper ledger. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Goes on, doesn't it? Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, lots of amazing places to write and reflect. Oh yeah, beautiful. Here's one of these beautiful pockets. Look at this card. Look at the detail here. It's really pretty. Oh my. This is a major inspiration. Oh yes, and the texture paste on here, beautiful. Oregon. Okay, we have not been to Oregon or Washington State. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is like, look at this little envelope with the little tags, little tag here. Au Bon Marché. It's the general store. Oh, this is beautiful, beautiful. It's got the textured, everything is amazing. Oh, Pam, well, as you can tell by my voice, just the excitement, the lack of words, I'm truly, truly blessed, and I thank you very much for having the contest and for, you know, just that I won and that you were willing to mail this out. She made it. Juliette made it. She made it through the border. That's always a guess. And she made it in one piece, and I am truly grateful. Thank you very much. So, if you're interested, give Pam. I will put the address downstairs, down below, but it's Glam Junk Journals. Pam, thank you very much. All right, have a great evening, everybody. Stay adventurous, crafty, and stay cozy. Bye for now.